You've invited a couple of neighbors over to your house for dinner this evening, and you would like to fix something impressive. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks with Tuscan Chicken Tortellini Pasta. So let's get started. Let's prepare the pasta. Looks like the pasta's ready. Let's build the dish. Let's add the chicken. Set the timer for 25 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Tortellini originated in the Emilia-Romagna region of Italy in 1517 and can only be found fresh and homemade. That looks great right out of the oven. Let's get a portion on a plate. let's try some of this amazing tortellini pasta. Wow, the combination of Tuscan flavors, chicken, cheese, tortellini, spinach, and cheese creates a magical dish for your guests. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, the complete recipe can be found in the description box below. Join our community, leave a question or comment below. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Dinner looks amazing. Stay with us, watch another video.